Hello, I'm George Pandaleon, Mayor of Lake Forest. This afternoon's video is my sixth message to you since Governor Pritzker issued his stay-at-home order. As I mentioned last week, what we are doing in Lake Forest is working. At the beginning of the virus outbreak, Lake Forest was labeled a hotspot, but now we are running at a rate of less than 1 new case per day, according to the Lake County Health Department. Staying home, physical distancing, wearing masks in crowded places, and frequent hand washing are all having an impact in our community. We can all thank each other for taking these measures seriously. Please keep it up. Beginning this Friday, May 1st, the governor's order is being extended to Saturday, May 30th. The order includes a requirement for anyone over the age of 2 to wear a face covering when in a public indoor space where 6-foot distancing cannot be maintained. Also, as of May 1st, greenhouses, garden centers, nurseries, animal grooming services, and golf courses are deemed to be essential businesses. So Deer Path Golf Course plans to reopen this Friday, and we are working with Kemper Sports Management to ensure a healthy environment so that everyone can enjoy the golf season. Please contact Deer Path Golf Course at www.deerpathgolf.com to book tee times and gather more information. City staff is keeping themselves and residents safe as they work in a limited capacity. This week you will see crews from Parks and Forestry beginning to work on athletic field repairs and other maintenance in the parks. And Public Works will begin street sweeping, filling potholes, and continuing sanitation services. They will be continuing the complimentary curbside pickup for items intended for the compost and recycling center. This last service has been particularly well received and is very popular. My personal thanks go out to the Public Works team for taking on these additional burdens. Speaking of Public Works, in my last dialogue letter, I mentioned 2 large infrastructure projects that were scheduled for this summer. Unfortunately, both have been delayed for different reasons. At Deer Path and 41, IDOT ran into some technical easement issues that had to be sorted out. That project, we hope, will now move to 2021. And the Burr Oak storm sewer enhancement bids came in significantly above budget. So city staff is working to re-engineer the project to achieve our budget goals and also get the project done in 2021. On a different subject, obtaining a full census count is crucial for receiving state and federal funding, as well as for our political representation in Washington and Springfield. So far, about 2/3 of Lake Foresters have responded to the census. For the other 6,000 of you, there are 3 ways to get this done. You can go online at my2020census.gov. You can complete the paper questionnaire that you received in the mail, or you can simply call 844-330-2020 and take the census over the phone. If you have not yet responded to this, in the next couple of months, census takers will visit your home to follow up. Next Monday, April 4th, the City Council will have its 3rd virtual meeting at 6:30 p.m. You can tune in on cable channel 17, via live stream through the city's website, or via Zoom. At this meeting, we'll be having a changing of the guard as we thank 1st Ward Alderman Prue Beidler and 4th Ward Alderman Michelle Marino for their 6 years of dedicated service on the City Council. And we also will be welcoming Eileen Luby-Weber and Jennifer Karras to the City Council. Also at that meeting, you'll learn about the launch of the city's recycling education campaign. This campaign is being fully funded by the Lake Forest Garden Club. The campaign will educate us about how to make sure what's going into our recycling carts is actually recyclable. Our goal is to reduce recycling contamination from the current 25% down to 10%. This would reduce the city's recycling subsidy by $50,000 per year. I know all Lake Foresters will want to pitch in. Again, thank you for everything you are doing to keep us all safe.